Although the construction date of the mosque is unknown, it was built by Kurd Mehmed Pasha and was called by name Janissary Kurd Mehmed or Chief Kurd in 1734. The mosque, kept high by containing a scroll on the lower floor, has a position dominating the region by overlooking the street from three directions. The prayer space of the mosque, which has survived with many repairs and additions, is covered with a wooden dome with an octagonal luminous lantern in the middle. It takes on an imposing appearance with a large narthex added later and its minaret dated to 1900 and built with red cut stones. The mihrab with its columns containing a cup on top of each is crowned with a vegetal ornaments made of plaster which contain the verse epitaph. The dome and luminous lantern in the middle, and the adornments starting from the opennens and expanding downwards, are aesthetic riches of the mosque.